This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. Estate home. What an amazing place in the TRACKROCK area. 4-bedroom/3 bath split floor plan with 3-bedroom and a large laundry room on the main level. Spacious living room/kitchen/dining area. Basement level apartment with a private entry that would make a great rental or mother-in-law suite. Basement garage, detached 23 by 40 garage/storage/workshop. Brand new hot water heater, roof is 3 years old, and so much more. Most all furnishings will convey with the home. This home is nestled among mountain laurels and park-like setting. Don't miss out on this one. Call me today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 828